If you want to change your Snapchat password, whether for security or just to update it, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Open Snapchat and log in. Tap your profile icon in the top left, then tap the settings gear in the top right corner. Scroll down to the My Account section and select Password. Enter your current password to verify your account. Now type in your new password, confirm it once more, and tap Save. Your Snapchat password is now changed. If you don't remember your current password, go to the login screen and tap Forget your password. Choose Reset via email or SMS. If you select email, Snapchat will send you a reset link. If you choose SMS, you'll get a code. Enter it and then set a new password. Always use a strong password with a mix of numbers, symbols, and letters. That's how you can change your Snapchat password quickly and safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.